Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a Barclays credit card holder, paying your bills on time is crucial for maintaining a healthy credit score and avoiding those pesky late fees. In this video, we'll break down the simplest ways to pay your Barclays credit card bills in 2025, step by step. Whether you're tech savvy or prefer traditional methods, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, the most straightforward option is using the Barclays online portal. Start by visiting the official Barclays website on your computer or mobile browser. Log in with your username and password, then head to the Payments or Bills section. Select your credit card account, enter the amount you want to pay, and choose your payment source, like a linked bank account or debit card. Hit Confirm, and you're done. It's quick, secure, and available 24/7. If you love using apps, download the Barclays mobile app from your app store. Once installed, log in and navigate to the credit card dashboard. Look for the Make a Payment button, add your payment details, and confirm. The app even sends reminders for due dates, making it super convenient. For those who prefer bank transfers, link your Barclays credit card to your bank account via online banking. Initiate a transfer from your checking account to your credit card's payment address. Barclays provides the exact details on your statement. This method is great if you want to automate payments. If you're not online, you can pay by phone. Call the Barclays customer service number listed on your statement, follow the automated prompts or speak to a representative, and provide your card details and payment information. It's a reliable fallback for when you're on the go. Lastly, for the traditional approach, mail a check or money order to the address on your billing statement. Make sure to include your account number and send it well before the due date to account for processing time. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Always set up autopay if possible to avoid missing payments. Double-check your due dates to prevent interest charges, and monitor your account for any errors. By staying proactive, you'll keep your finances in top shape. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.